Hey guys, it's Davida with WTI. I am so excited to tell you about a very basic long sleeve crop top shirt that you're going to need in your wardrobe. These are the AKEWEI long sleeve crop tops, and they're actually not too crop. They fall right below the belly button and they fit the body like a glove. They're absolutely perfect. I would say they're pretty true to size. I normally wear a size small and that's the size that I got. And they hug your curves really nice. So these pair really well with a pair of denim jeans, with a pair of leggings. They're also great for layering. I like wearing them underneath a vest. You can definitely wear them underneath a sweatshirt, and they're so comfortable. They have an amazing soft stretch to them. So the material is a blend of cotton and spandex. And I don't know what better way to describe them other than just being so comfortable and buttery soft. I am extremely happy that I got these. The rosy brown color is so beautiful. It's like a perfect mix between purple and brown, and it's just gorgeous. They pair really well with just about everything you wear. So if you're looking for a basic long sleeve crop top that fits your body well, is very flattering, I would definitely check these out. And that is my point of view.